In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shadows and glow effects in GIMP, a tutorial perfect for beginners exploring the world of digital image editing. Whether you're looking to add depth to your images or bring vibrant highlights to certain elements, mastering shadows and glows can elevate your design skills to a whole new level. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up GIMP and load the image that you'd like to work on. It's crucial to become comfortable with navigating through layers because the first step is to select the appropriate layer where you want to apply these effects. If you're working with complex compositions, naming your layers clearly can make this process much smoother. Once your layer is selected, it's time to explore the filters. Move your cursor up to the top menu and click on Filters. This launches a drop-down menu where you'll find a variety of options. Hover over Light and Shadow, which should be about halfway down. This menu is your gateway to creating both shadow and glow effects, which can add striking visual appeal to your layer. Now within the Light and Shadow menu, you have two primary choices to explore: Drop Shadow or Glow. If your goal is to create a shadow effect, perhaps to give an element in your image a sense of depth or a lift from the background, then select Drop Shadow. On the other hand, if you want your element to emit a radiant glow, choose Glow. Experimenting with both can yield stunning differences, so don't hesitate to try each one to find what best suits your image. After choosing either Drop Shadow or Glow, a dialog box will pop up with various settings you can adjust. Here, the customization really begins. For Drop Shadows, you'll have the option to tweak the offset, which controls the shadow's direction and distance. You'll also be able to modify the blur radius, affecting how soft or sharp the shadow appears, and the opacity, which dictates how pronounced the shadow will be against your image. The angle setting can provide even more specific directional control. If you're working with the glow effect, you'll adjust the radius to manage how far the glow extends from the object, the color to match or contrast against your design, and the opacity to decide how intense or subtle the glow should be. Once you've fine-tuned the settings to your liking, simply hit OK or Apply, depending on your version of GIMP. Make sure to zoom in and out, double-checking your work to ensure everything looks as intended. If you're not entirely satisfied, GIMP's undo function will become your best friend, allowing you to make necessary tweaks. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to create both shadows and glow effects in GIMP, setting the stage for even more advanced projects in digital editing. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see what creative ideas you come up with using these tools.